Righto, we're back again today. We're going to put the temperature gauge in. I stuck out the other day when the weather was cooler and installed the sender end. This is new sender stuck in the old fitting there. The wire to the inside the car. Put an earth there to go to the earth there. This gauge here is a bit different than the things before. This one has like its own special little connector in the back. I'm going to put this wiring harness in and join it on. I think it's a ground, 2 powers, and the signal from the sensor. So that should be pretty straightforward. The worst part is you just got to squeeze in the car and do it. Right, first things first, you got to figure out how to get this old one out. One little bolt. There's a washer. So it looks like I've got a ground, a signal wire and a power wire. So attach them into our new wiring harness and should work. Let's have a look here. We've got plus, minus and S. Right, so I've used, that's the second plus there coming from someone else that lit up the lights. We might actually put 2 connectors onto the light just because we can. We have a wiring harness here. So look at our diagram. So the sender, which is the blue wire here, will go to the green. Black is black. Okay, yellow's even yellow. Maybe who wired this up in the first place may have actually used these colour codes. But going off the rest of it, I highly doubt it. Right, now for the test it, let's go straight to 40 degrees like the old one used to do. That did something, so we'll give this a test at some stage to see how it heats up, but for now we'll screw it in and leave it at that. It looks like, just to make things not totally straightforward, the hole is slightly too small for the gauge. So we've got to sort that out. Right, safety glasses on, and we'll hit it with the old die grinder. I reckon up that corner there. That's all it took. That makes the other gauges look terrible, but as long as it works, that's the important thing. Right, another thing we're going to look at is, it was getting a bit hot, so we might try and get a bit more air into the front of it by opening up the grill sections here in the front of the car. So I might try and leave that out, or that out, maybe a bit of both. And let's just see what that does for it. This is a bit experimental, and we'll see how we go. This might be a work in progress, but we'll give it a go. What we're going to try is, might just aerate it a bit with this hole saw, put multiple holes here because there's mesh up inside on the radiator there, so put some holes there, should keep the structural integrity a bit of the front end a bit better, so cutting a whole big slot out of it, and we'll just see what happens. There we go, that should get a bit more air into the front of the car. If you look at here, it's got the mesh there, so that should keep any dirt out. It's going to come in anyhow, that mesh there. This is one of the few cars in the division that still has the radiator mount in the front, so hopefully it's a little bit more air in. And we'll find out. Anyhow, that's that for today. We've got the gauge in, got to give it a bit of run later, make sure it gets hot. Got some holes in the front here. So all that leaves now is to do the muffler, and then it's just the usual general tidy up, clean up, going over it, ready for next race. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, to like and subscribe to the channel.